The tiger is one of the largest and most powerful predators on Earth. It is a symbol of power, beauty, and mystery in nature. But did you know that behind its striped skin and piercing eyes lies a world of amazing facts and complex behaviors? In this video, we travel deep into the lives of tigers to discover the secrets of their lives, from their unparalleled hunting to their role in wild ecosystems. The tiger is one of the largest cat species and one of the most formidable predators in the world. Although the tiger is often known only for its power and beauty, this animal is a masterpiece of evolution that has managed to adapt to diverse and challenging environments over thousands of years. If you're interested in the amazing world of wildlife, be sure to subscribe and stay with me until the end of this video. There are facts waiting for you that few people have heard. There are 6 subspecies of tiger, each with its own differences in its habitat and appearance. For example, the Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest tiger in the world and has a thicker coat and larger body size due to its cold and snowy habitat. While the Sumatran tiger is the smallest subspecies, is smaller and has darker stripes that provide better camouflage due to its habitat in dense and humid forests. This diversity in habitats and forms makes the tiger a fascinating species, with each subspecies having its own unique story and characteristics. Tigers range from the dense tropical forests of Southeast Asia to the frigid regions of Siberia. Each habitat has its own unique characteristics that tigers have adapted to. For example, in the Himalayan forests, tigers use dense vegetation to hide, while Siberian tigers, due to the extreme cold, have adapted to living in cold and snowy environments and have even thicker and longer hair around their necks and bodies, which resembles a lion's mane and provides protection against the cold. On the other hand, tigers need nearby water sources to survive, as they drink a lot of water daily and also need cool and shady places to rest. Perhaps the first thing that comes to mind is the tiger's beautiful and unique striped skin. These stripes not only help the tiger camouflage itself in the shadows of the forests and grasslands, but their pattern is as unique as human fingerprints, and no two tigers have exactly the same stripes. But this is not the only special feature. Tigers have very strong muscles in their shoulders and legs, which enable them to run at a speed of up to 6 km per hour and make long leaps. This strength and speed are essential for hunting. A tiger's long, sharp canines can be up to 7 cm long, and their claws, which can spread up to 10 cm. Another fascinating feature is the tiger's ability to swim. Unlike many other cats which are poor swimmers, tigers are skilled swimmers, even crossing rivers and swamps to pursue their prey. This ability allows them to have larger territories and pursue a wider variety of prey. Tigers are very solitary and territorial creatures. A tiger's territory can range from 200 square kilometers to over 1,000 square kilometers, depending on the amount of prey and habitat. Each tiger marks its territory by urinating, scratching trees, and roaring loudly. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away and plays an important role in announcing its presence and warning other tigers. Tiger hunting is a combination of patience, strength, and strategy. They usually use ambush, approaching quietly and silently, and then attacking with a sudden burst. If you enjoyed this video so far, subscribe now so you don't miss any of the next videos. Tigers are capable of hunting prey larger than themselves, such as buffalo and even large deer. But these hunts require careful planning and a lot of energy. An interesting fact is that unlike most cats, which hunt in the shortest possible time, tigers sometimes follow their prey for hours until they find the right opportunity. Tigers are generally solitary, but have limited social interactions at certain times. The mating season for tigers usually occurs in winter or early spring, during which time the male and female tigers form a temporary and special bond. The mother tiger is fully responsible for the cubs, and the cubs remain with their mother until they are 2 years old, where they learn hunting and survival skills. Tiger cubs are born blind and are completely dependent on their mother for the first few weeks. As they grow, they must learn skills such as hearing, running, and hunting, and the mother tiger carefully guides them through these trainings. Tigers are a mainstay of the forest and grassland ecosystems of Asia. They play a vital role in regulating prey populations such as deer and wild boar, preventing them from becoming overpopulated, which helps maintain healthy vegetation and balance the habitat. Tigers are also known as an indicator species, meaning that their presence and health are indicators of the overall health of the ecosystem. The decline or disappearance of tigers can be a warning sign of the collapse of large ecosystems. Tigers face serious threats. Illegal hunting for tiger skin and body parts on the black market is one of their biggest problems. Parts such as bones are used in traditional medicine in some countries, making them highly sought after by poachers. Habitat destruction due to agricultural development, urbanization and road construction also puts tigers at risk, and increased human interference, sometimes leading to violent encounters. However, global efforts such as the creation of protected national parks, captive breeding, reintroduction programs, and education of local communities are promising. Various countries, especially India and Russia, have had successful conservation programs that have increased tiger populations in some areas. The tiger, with all its grandeur and power, is a natural treasure whose protection means maintaining the natural balance and health of the world's ecosystems. Although it faces many challenges, hope for a better future remains alive, provided that we humans take our responsibility seriously. So let's work together for the survival of this prince of the jungle. Because protecting the tiger means protecting life on Earth. If you enjoyed this short trip into the wild, please help us share this video with more people by subscribing. Thanks for sticking around this far, and don't forget, this is just a small part of the wonders of the world.